Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and I wanted to show you my new find for my home that I have absolutely fallen in love with. It is the rustic brown cabinet by HOMCOM. I really like the look of this aesthetically. I have been trying to add a little bit more wood and warmth to my living room decor, and this absolutely went perfectly with the coffee table that I already owned. And I especially love the barn door feel that gives it that rustic kind of farmhouse look in the front. It's very functional as well. You can move the doors to the left or to the right, which adds for extra shelving and storage. You can fit different baskets to hold what you need. I was able to, with slight difficulty, squeeze in a 10 by 10 cube storage basket. So that is an option if you already own those types of baskets. It will fit in there behind the door and still allow for the door to open and close on the track. Honestly, this was easy to assemble. It only took my husband about half an hour when he followed the instructions. He didn't find it difficult at all. This is a functional, cute little piece of furniture, whether you use it in your living room as a TV console, in your entryway, or your dining room. It is really going to give off a beautiful wood, rustic farmhouse vibe, and that's my point of view.